Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to test out the Ecoflow Delta 2 and see if it's going to power up my portable AC unit and see how long it's going to run for. And it did power up the AC unit. Currently drawing 214 watts on the Ecoflow. Jumped up to 839, 850 watts. And according to the Ecoflow, it'll run this portable AC unit for about 4 hours. Jumping up to 910 watts. $930 watts. Compared to my Jackery 1000, the Jackery could not operate this portable AC unit. It's blown out full air. Max here. 62 degrees is where it's at. And it's now showing 985 watts, runtime of about 55 minutes. There you go. This is a demonstration on a portable AC running off an Ecoflow Delta 2. Thanks for watching.